For water setup, we highly recommend a practice run near the shore. Find a calm, quiet spot away from any boat traffic. Anchor use is recommended, but it's not necessary. To start, unroll the mesh and allow it to spread so that the fabric loops are accessible. On the other board, connect two sections of a crossbar. Then thread the crossbar through the fabric loops on one side of the mesh. Insert the end of the crossbar into the receiving tube on one of the bases. Now repeat the process with the second crossbar. Let the other end of the bar drop into the water and float. Connect the remaining free ends of the crossbars into the lounge bases on the other board. Secure all Velcro straps around the spacing bars so that the mesh floats in the water at your desired depth. Check to make sure that the ratchet straps are tight and that the mesh is attached securely. You are ready to soak up the sun.